Hi, my name is Zlatomira Ilchovska and I'll present to you a study on testing the new switching experience and environment questionnaire, or otherwise called SEEK, which is a measure of bilingual switching behaviors. We completed that in the University of Birmingham together with Ali Mazaheri and Andrea Krot. So the background of this is that language switching, along with other variables such as the duration of the bilingual experience or the intensity and diversity of how much bilinguals use their language, or the proficiency difference between the two languages, so-called the proficiency balance, are important variables that can affect the efficiency and the executive control of bilinguals, which are suggested by the UBET model to affect cognitive functioning. So there's a lot of variables that need to be measured in language switching, and there's already a few available instruments like the LSBQ by Anderson et al., the adaptive control hypothesis, which doesn't have its questionnaire per se, but explains quite well switching behaviors. There's also the code switching and interactional context questionnaire, and the bilingual switching questionnaire. So each of them measure different facets of language switching, such as, for example, the type of switching that bilinguals perform or the context in which it happened, as well as the amount of control or lack of control thereof that they apply. So there's a lot of instruments already available measuring different facets, but there's not too much overlap between these, and there's not currently any instrument that touches upon all variables important for language switching. Hence, we decided to devise this new measure, which integrates elements of all current available measures, and also adds measures that integrate the adaptive control hypothesis in it. The adaptive control hypothesis is an important theory which explains how exactly the different types of language switching that bilinguals do could affect the cognitive control they develop. The aims of our study were to test the construct validity of this new measure, as well as its internal reliability, to explore what factorial structure it has, as well as we had a preconception of the factorial structure based on theories such as the adaptive control hypothesis, the UBET model, and the control process model. And we expected that it's going to match an 8-factor latent variable structure. So one of our aims was to explore how well our questionnaire responds to this theoretical expectation. And I will tell you more about the results on the actual event in my presentation. Thank you.